Hello, sixth standard. Today we will discuss one story related to dog. How dog found his new master himself. वो खुद अपना न्यू मास्टर ढूंढता है. Related to that, it's a story and our lesson number 2 in our textbook of English, that is Honeysuckle. Okay. Now from this textbook, second lesson we are going to begin with. So I hope you people have finished with first lesson writing as well as poem which we did about a house and a home, right? Let us begin with the story on page number 17 it is. Before you read, you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is the story about how the dog became a tame animal. So पता है कि बहुत एंशियंट टाइम से लोग डोमेस्टिकेट करते हैं, एनिमल्स को रखते हैं, उनको टाइम टू टाइम उनका फॉडर देते हैं और टाइम टू टाइम उनकी केयर करते हैं, राइट? देन नाउ इन दिस एक डॉग है जो खुद टेम होता है, दैट इज ही बिकेम टेम एनिमल हिमसेल्फ, मतलब उसकी केयर करे कोई. ओके, लेट अस रीड इट. Dogs were once their own master and lived in way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. So डॉग्स भी वोल्व्स की तरह एकदम बहादुरी के साथ रहते थे, फ्री रहते थे. बट एक दिन सडनली एक डॉग को ऐसा ख्याल आया एंड ही बिकेम टायर्ड बाय दिस कि खुद फूड ढूंढो, पूरा पूरा दिन अपना खाना ढूंढो और पूरा पूरा दिन मतलब यहाँ से वहाँ जाओ, और जो हमसे डेंजरस एनिमल्स हैं उनसे फिर हमें डर लगता है. ओके, सो दैट डॉग थॉट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become a servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. तो उसने सोचा कि क्यों ना मैं किसी के अंडर काम करूं, मतलब कोई मेरा बॉस हो जो पूरी दुनिया में सबसे ताकतवर हो और मतलब मेरे ऊपर कोई भी खतरा आए तो मैं उस खतरे से बच जाऊं. ओके, इन दैट वे ही स्टार्टेड फाइंडिंग वन मास्टर. He walked and he met a kinsman of his, the big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. तो वो अब मास्टर ढूंढने के लिए he started moving from one place to another. Okay, and then finally he found one kinsman. Kinsman, we can tell here, meaning is written, old fashioned word it is, a relative, fierce, violent, frightening. मतलब एक ऐसा एनिमल जो डरावना था. ओके, इस वॉल्फ को वो मिला, वो वॉल्फ देखने में भी बहुत डरावना था. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone who take up service with. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see way out, the wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. So wolf ने डॉग से पूछा कि आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, तो डॉग ने बोला कि मुझे किसी के अंडर काम करना है, क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनोगे? तो वॉल्फ उसका मास्टर बनने को रेडी हो गया एंड दे बोथ वर वॉकिंग ऑन द वे. They walked and all of a sudden Wolf lifted his nose, sniff, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has frightened you so? Can't you see there is a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me." So एक बेर आ रहा था सामने से, तो वो बेर को देखकर डर गया एंड वो वॉल्फ जो है बुशेस में जाकर छुप गया. सो डॉग वॉज कंफ्यूज्ड कि ये ऐसा क्यों छुप गया. तो उसने वॉल्फ से पूछा कि व्हाट हैपेंड, आप ऐसे कितना क्यों डर गए. सो ही टोल्ड अबाउट bear, that bear is coming from another side and he may kill both of us. Seeing that the bear was stronger than a wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." So जब डॉग ने देखा कि वॉल्फ तो बेर से डर रहा है, तो क्यों ना बेर को ही अपना मास्टर बना लिया जाए. तो he went to bear and he asked him that he wants to take up service. So bear ready हो जाता है. बेर उसको मतलब सर्विस मतलब बेर डॉग को अपने साथ रखता है. एंड देन बेर बोलता है कि चलो हम आगे चलते हैं. काऊ का एक ग्रुप दिखाई देगा, हम उस हेड में अटैक करेंगे, काऊ को मारेंगे और फिर हम दोनों अपनी भूख मिटाएंगे. They walked on and soon saw the herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all directions. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper in the forest. So उनको cows दिखाई दी and जब वो cows के नजदीक जा ही रहे थे, तो all of the sudden cows जो है वो जोर जोर से बोलने लगे और वो इधर उधर जंगल में सभी डायरेक्शंस में रन करने लगे. तो बेर जो था वो ट्री के पीछे छुप गया और उसने देखा. ओके, सो वो भी किसी बात पे डर गया था. नाउ व्हाट वाज द थिंग? नाउ व्हाई डिड यू हैव कम हियर? You have to come here, said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion? Who's he? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on the earth? Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So bear छुपा हुआ था ट्री के पीछे. तो डॉग ने उससे पूछा कि why you are hiding now? So bear told, I am hiding because there is lion. Who is lion? Lion is the strongest animal on the earth. Okay. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. So dog ने bear को goodbye बोला और उसने बोला मैं तो मेरा मास्टर उसी को बनाऊंगा जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हो. तो वो लायन के पास जाता है और अब लायन को पूछता है कि क्या आप मेरे मास्टर बनोगे. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Now lion became master of dog. काफी टाइम वो लायन को सर्व करता रहा, लायन के लिए काम करता रहा. तो लायन एंड डॉग बोथ वर लिविंग नाउ. सो लायन के पास तो वैसे ही कोई नहीं आता था एंड नाउ डॉग को भी कोई हैरान नहीं करता था जंगल में. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliff, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that the hole formed there. Then He began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. Now what happened? That one day दोनों ही जा रहे थे जंगल में, वेरी नाइसली रह रहे थे, बट ऑल ऑफ द सडन जो लायन है वो रुक गया और उसको बहुत गुस्सा आया, एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड मूविंग बैक स्लोली स्लोली. तो डॉग ने पूछा कि आप क्यों पीछे मूव हो रहे हो, क्या हुआ? सो लायन इज टेलिंग, I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We had better run for it or we will be in trouble. Oh well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. So, जब ये देखा डॉग ने कि लायन भी पीछे हट रहा है डर के मारे, मतलब मैन इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वन, सो I am saying goodbye to you. That is, dog said goodbye to lion and went towards man because he want such a master who must be stronger than anyone. Okay. And of the dog went to join the man and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. So dog जो है no doubt man का ही काम करता है, man के लिए dog can take care of their house and all. So dog man को ही master मानता है और किसी एनिमल को वो मास्टर नहीं मानता उस दिन के बाद से. ओके, सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी ना, कुछ जानने को भी मिला है कि हाउ डॉग स्टार्टेड बिलीविंग दैट मैन कैन बी आवर मास्टर्स. ओके, okay, that was the story. You have to write these meanings which are given on side in your notebook. Okay, after you finish writing meanings, I will give you PDF for these questions which you have to write in your notebook. Copy questions and write answers in your notebook. Okay everyone, and these blanks and all too I will give you, but these blanks and everything you can cover up here in textbook itself. Okay, सिर्फ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड मीनिंग्स ही लिखना अपनी नोटबुक में, बाकी जो भी ये ब्लैंक्स रिलेटेड है दैट यू कवर अप इन टेक्स्ट बुक ओनली. ओके एवरीवन, गो थ्रू दिस एंड द नेक्स्ट इज पोएम द काइट, that we will continue in our next video. Thank you.